Here is the TV lift cabinet designed by Jacob Richards and Daryl Van Grau. First I'm going to show you the SolidWorks that we used to design it. And now here's kind of an under the hood look of the cabinet. It's pushed up by this 100 pound force 30-inch stroke linear actuator that I bought online for about 180 bucks. It uses a 3/4 horsepower motor, and that is powered by this 12 volt 10 amp power supply that's in parallel with this capacitor to ensure we have the proper amount of amps. And on here there's also a resistor to dissipate the power as soon as the TV gets to the top and bottom. I also have two 15 amp fuses to ensure we don't blow out our motor over here. Here's where the switches are, and as you can see there's quite a bit of wires that run through this. I'm going to show you how the switching system works here. So basically this is the power switch and this is the up-down switch. So when we turn this on, the power goes to the capacitor, and then once that is full, this light will turn on and then it's free to go up and down. So I'll show you that here. And then up and down. Another cool feature that we wanted to add was the LED lights. And basically how that works is when the lid is down, it presses on this limit switch, which turns the lights off. And when the lid goes up, the lights turn on. As soon as the TV gets to the top, it hits this trigger, which then turns the lights off again. So that is the lighting system. The TV uses two rails right here, as you can see, and these are just drawer rails that I bought online. They're 30 inches and they can support 100 pounds a piece, so they are plenty strong for this whole system. Here's the cables, that two HDMI cables, power cable, and a coaxial cable that run to, I don't know if you can see it very well. And the last part are the pop-out speakers, and basically how that works is the speakers pivot on these arms that as soon as they get to the proper height, that cord gets tight and pulls them up, and I'll show you that here. So we're ready to go up, and the TV pushes up, and here come the speakers. Here they come, and then it's ready to go. The actuator has built-in limit switches that once it gets to the top it stops, and the bottom it stops. So that's a nice little thing to have. And that is the cabinet. If you have any questions about the design or would like to see our SolidWorks designs, I can email them to you. Thanks for watching.